To install your new security screen, you will need a drill, a 3.5mm drill bit, one-way stainless steel screws or safety screws, and the associated drill bit. Start by removing the protective packaging from your screen. Now pre-drill screw holes approximately 300mm apart around your screen's frame. Make sure to stay away from the corners, as there is a solid corner section that makes drilling through the frame difficult. Next, establish where you intend to fit your window frame. Now place your window frame in its final position and pre-drill through the holes into the surface around your window. It may be useful to have someone help you hold the screen during this step. Next, using your safety or one-way screws, fix your window screen. Note, when face fixing, it is important not to drill or screw anywhere that is close to the glass, and also not to impede the sliding window opening sash, particularly when fitting to double hung style windows. Stainless steel screws will not rust. However, if they are too obvious, you may want to touch them up with paint to match the screen.